Welcome folks, William Caleb representing InstantCashFunnel.com, and today we're going to review the Yellow Brick Road system. It's a new system that I recently set up, and I gotta tell you, it's an amazing system. Does all the selling and telling for you folks. It gives all the explanation, it does the closing for you right within the funnel. All of the web pages are concluded. There are many dozens of lead capture pages you can choose from to lead out with. There is a full email sequence, that's right, a full lengthy multi-week email sequence, folks, that goes out to your prospects automatically, and they are high converting emails. And we're going to go into all of that along with everything else in this Yellow Brick Road system review. And first we're going to have a look at some of the various capture pages that I just mentioned. Here are just a few of them you'll see right here, and this is inside the software system that's going to house all of your web pages and all of your email messages and all of the web copy. It's all going to be contained within here, and we can just look at some of these pages. Let's take a look. For example, let's look at this one that says Steady Commissions. Just look at how awesome some of these pages look, and you'll get a feeling for what I mean here. And here it is, the Steady Commissions lead capture page. You can see stunning background image of the tight rope walker there, and oh, you definitely have to be steady there, right? So you get why he calls this particular page Steady Commissions. And that name Steady Commissions, that's just for sort of our own description and naming, so we'll know what capture page we're talking about here. And as you can see, it's one of the newer style capture pages, and if you just hit the show me button, then boom, down drops a fill-in form where you fill in your first name or email, and you can choose whether to just have email only. And this little part where you see thank you for returning, that's because I've already opted in to the system, to the forms, to various forms when I was testing them out. So whatever someone has already opted in, and they're using the same computer that they opted in from, they're going to see this thank you for returning, and ask them if they want to skip the survey, meaning this whole fill-in process, because after all, you already opted in, so no need for you to do it a second time, right? So the system is smart enough to know that you are a returning visitor, and it'll just allow you to skip the survey and go right back to the main sales presentation. And we can view some of the other various capture pages. Let's see, let's take a look at, here's one that's pretty interesting to me, that just looks pretty good too. Let's take a look at this one here, and you'll see what I'm saying for this one. And it's very nice. Just going to take a couple of moments to load up here, folks. I'm doing screen recording of my laptop while I'm showing and analyzing at the same time, so I got all kind of programs running in the background, so it's making me go a little slower. It's not that these pages are slow, they're very fast loading. It's just the fact that I am currently screen recording my what I'm doing on my laptop here to show you guys what these pages and this awesome system looks like. So let's just give it a few moments while it loads, and we'll see what this page. This one is called Time Freedom, and I just thought it looked cool, just for lack of better words. Just a cool look, very glistening, and there it is. And discover 3 ways our team creates more time freedom by making 100% commissions working part-time. Attention, done for you, system included. So it tells you, it gives you a headline that pretty much gives you a clue as to what you're about to get. And of course, 3 ways that our team creates more time freedom by making 100% commissions. Well, that's pretty intriguing. So the person will want to get free access, and get free access. Boom. And of course, here you go. And another capture form pops up there, and another good one there, folks. The good one. Let me in. Yes. Let's take a look at some more of the capture pages that you have to choose from here within the system. Here's one I notice a lot of people are using, the Automate one. And it is a pretty good looking capture page. I mean, all more, but this is a really good one here. And we're loading up. Just a few moments, and boom, here we go. Automate 100% commissions with a proven system, complete with a website and email sequence. Very beautiful page. Look at that background. Very beautiful. Transparent there. Just a very beautiful page all around. First name, show me the money. And of course, when they enter the information, they hit show me the money, they're going to go to the main presentation. And I'm going to show you that main presentation in a moment. There's one more lead capture page. And remember, you can choose from any of these, folks. You don't have to just go with what you see me go with or what you see someone else go with. You can choose your own. Here's another good one. This particular is actually a book giveaway. I really wanted you to see this one. Here it is. This book has sold over 100 million copies, and today we are giving it away for free, folks. For free. And what book is this? Which book has sold 100 million copies? Well, it's Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You might have heard of it. Very, very old book. Some might even consider it ancient. It's going to give you all the success secrets. Basically, you're going to get success secrets. It's going to install the successful mindset, the wealthy mindset within you. And you read it every day. You're going to get something new out of it. You can think of it as sort of like your success Bible, if you will. A success Bible, your go-to book for maintaining the successful mindset. And you're going to need that first and foremost, folks, before we even talk about an opportunity, before we even talk about getting traffic, before we even talk about how you close a person, before we even talk about where you place your first advertisement. You got to have the right mindset. If it ain't right up here, then it ain't right nowhere. All right, and this is a special live capture page that you get, whereas when the prospect fills in their name and email address, they're going to receive in the email, to the email address that they put in, they're going to receive a free copy of Think and Grow Rich to download on their laptop, on their smartphone, on their tablet, or whatever digital device that they have that can download things to. They'll get their own copy. They won't have to go anywhere, search the internet for it. They won't have to buy it off Amazon. They'll get it for free straight from you, and then they'll be taken directly to that main presentation page that I keep talking about. And since I keep talking about it, let's go ahead and just show it to you. When they hit the button, after they put in their information, they're brought to this presentation page, and the producer of the Yellow Brick Road system, Mr. Mark Crosby, he's going to go, when you hit play, he's going to give you an intro of the system, tell you how he thought of this whole concept, where this idea sort of came from, how he put it together. And you'll see right at the bottom there's going to be a couple of buttons here. One is to register for the 100% commission earning opportunity that he's going to talk about in the video here. You're going to have to watch the video to see it, folks. Let's not jump ahead of ourselves. And when you press that button, you'll be able to sign up right away for the 100% commissions business opportunity. And with here, when you hit this button, I want you to see where this goes. We're going to go there in a second, because it actually shows you the step-by-step instructions for putting together this whole system with the emails and the capture pages and everything. And believe me, folks, it's very simple. We're going to check that out in a minute. And of course, we have our team Facebook group and the company Facebook group for the opportunity here. And if you want to connect with me, William K. Revondez, all you got to do is just hit this button. It's going to go straight to a good way to connect with me. when you have this system, you can have this particular link to go wherever you choose. I have mine going to my Facebook Messenger. Whenever I get a notification from Facebook Messenger, I usually immediately go to it. It's something about that little ting sound that makes my subconscious mind immediately want to check the messages, which is a good thing for you, though. It's a good thing because it makes it very easy to reach me here, to reach me there. So let's go ahead and click on this Step 2 button, and let's see what we get here. And remember, this is where we're going to learn how to actually set up the system, and it's loading up. Just a few moments. And here we are, and this is the Welcome to Step 2, set up your own done for you system page. As I said, you'll see the video that'll tell you about the system itself that you're going to be using. The whole system is called the Yellow Brick Road system. It's just a real catchy name that Mark Crosby came up with for it, and you'll see his usage of the bright yellow colors here just really stand out more than your average funnel. Something new, and he's going to go over the particular software that houses this whole system, and that's actually what you'll be plugging into. And you can just come here to start the free trial. It has a free trial, a free 7-day trial, and if you don't like it within the 7 days, well, no need to keep up with it, but I'm sure you're going to want to keep it because, once again, this is the thing that houses your Yellow Brick Road system. And the next video you see towards the, if we just scroll down here a little bit, it's the share code setup. You're going to be giving a specialized code that once you pop it in, it's going to automatically populate your all these particular web pages you see here, and all these videos, and all those lead capture pages I showed you, the email sequences. It's going to automatically populate them under the domain name that you buy, under the .com name that you yourself select and choose. For me, myself, I've chosen the domain name instantcashfunnel.com. That's where you can go through this system yourself. Very simplistic and easy, as I'm here showing you. And of course, if you keep scrolling down, we don't leave you hanging as to where to get traffic to the system. I mean, what good is an awesome system if nobody sees it? What good is an awesome system if you never know how to get people to it, to plug into it? You know, and we're going to provide this video, which is going to tell you how we get traffic, how we even use social media to get free traffic. We have other specialized Facebook groups and trainings that show you how to get more free traffic, to show you how to close sales on social media. We have solo ad services, many places where you can straight up buy the traffic from and just send it directly to your traffic page. I mean, how easy is that, right? I mean, and if you really scroll all the way bottom, you'll see we have a few special links. Great traffic service here, Send the Humans, and this is all on the page. It's already going to be embedded on the page once you enter that special code we talked about. Another specialized traffic source here, and yeah, folks, this is it. This is the Yellow Brick Road system. I mean, can't go wrong with such an awesome system like this that provides everything. We have all of the lead capture pages here. We have the full email campaign here. All these emails are going to automatically go out, starting with that first one, which will also give away the free Think and Grow Rich book. And that's it, folks. That's the Yellow Brick Road system. A full funnel for instant cash and monthly residuals straight to you at the same time. Go to instantcashfunnel.com now, folks. Get paid today. It's waiting for you. It's all put together, ready for you to use and automate. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.